Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the double-sided business card mockup in Pixlr. Just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we're going to click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then we'll click the X to close the ad, and then we'll click the Open Image button. You just want to find the mockup off the computer. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so I'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And then you just want to add in your design, so click the square with the diagonal lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click the Add Media Browse Your Own Files button. And then find your design off the computer. And you might want to resize that, so to do that, just click and drag any of the four corners. You notice it added it to the front layer instead of the back. I actually want it to be behind the image of the background, but the background layer is usually locked, so to unlock it, I'll just click the little padlock icon in the corner right here. And now I can click and drag the business card design underneath the background. And you just want to repeat those steps for the back side. So I'm going to click the Add Media button to find the design for the back side. And I'm going to click and drag the four corners to make the business card size correctly. And now that we've already unlocked the background, I'm just going to click and drag it underneath the background. And that's all there is to adding your design to the PNG version of the double-sided business card mockup in Pixlr. And when you're done, you can just click this Save button at the bottom. It's going to give you several options. So if you want to save it as a thumbnail online, I'd click on JPEG and change the quality as high as it'll go. And I leave it on high here, and just click Save As, and find somewhere on your computer where you want to save it. And then if you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click Save a second time, and then this time just select PXC, and you can toggle the slider to non-destructive, and then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.